Are you tired of the same old toys? Today we're diving into 10 simple, low-cost games that will supercharge your toddler's fine motor skills and keep them busy for hours. Number 1, the pasta thread. It's like jewelry making, but with pantry staples. Great for pasta with focus for hand-eye coordination. Number 2, sticky note hunt. Hide them around the room. Peeling them off builds those tiny finger muscles. Number 3, Tongs rescue. Grab some kitchen tongs and a bowl of water. It's basically a toddler-safe arcade claw machine. Number 4, the Colander garden. Use pipe cleaners to create a masterpiece. Precision is key here. Number 5, the DIY bank. Slit a hole in a plastic lid and let them post cards or buttons. Simple yet addictive. Number 6, sensory squish bags. Mess-free finger painting. Tape it to a window for extra light play. Number 7, precision stickers. Draw shapes and have them fill the lines with stickers. It's harder than it looks. Number 8, rubber band jam. Stretching these bands builds incredible hand strength for future writing.
Number 9, the pouring station. Focus and control. Use rice for a dry version or water for splashy fun.
And number 10, the big thaw. Freeze toys in ice and let them excavate with warm water droppers. It's the ultimate focus game.
Thanks for watching. Please like and sub for more.